The Shenzhen Vanke Real Estate Co., one of the biggest and most important companies of this big city of southern China, made some years ago a contest of the design of the new Vanke Center, a mixed-use building that had to include a hotel, offices and service apartments. The plot was placed in a suburb of the city, apart from the dense center, with a maximum possible height of 35 meters and characterized by standing between a group of mountains to the northwest and the China Sea and a lake to the southeast. Shenzhen is located in a subtropical zone, so it has warm temperatures all year and a strongly marked rain season, so plants and trees can always grow and people can enjoy outdoors every day. The winner project of Stephen Hall Architects is today known as a reference in matters of sustainability and urban intervention, because of the size of the project and how it relates and adequates in the place where it's built. The building, as well known as horizontal skyscraper, is composed, how its name tells, by a simple long horizontal body that bends itself following the forms of the plot, the mountains around, and seeks to create views to the sea and the lake, relating itself this way to the context. The brilliancy of the solution resides, however, in the fact that the building is not put directly on the floor, but floating about 10 meters off the ground, making the lower plant and the territory free. The landscape has been treated and transformed into a tropical garden with meadows, walkways, water pools, and a lot of types of plants, and open to become a public park where people from around can walk, play, eat in some of the restaurants that have their place there, or simply enjoy. The upper building, supported thanks to a cable-stayed bridge-type structure by 12 huge pillars that contain stairs, elevators, and sanitary and electrical connections, is itself an example of efficiency in the use of energy and natural resources. Glass surfaces are protected from the sun and strong winds by dynamically operable perforated louvers that allow ventilation, making expenditure in air conditioners minimal, and some parts of the facade are covered only with special high-performance glass that allow the pass of sunlight but not of heat. Temperature is controlled as well through the use of green roofs, which absorb the direct insolation. Rainwater is harvested and reused in some functions like plants watering. 1,400 square meters of photovoltaic panels installed on the roof of the building provide 12.5% of the total electric energy demand of Vanke headquarters. Like it's not good enough, a big percentage of the doors, floors, and furniture are made of bamboo, which is easily renewable and grows in the region, or recycled wood, and the carpets all throughout the buildings are made entirely of recycled material. Around the building, in the gardens of below, a microclimate is created by cooling ponds, fed by a grey water recycling system and by the plants carefully placed. As we can see, everything about these buildings being thought and designed carefully, taking special attention in matters of sustainability and giving the city an incredible public space, what made that it was awarded as the first LED Platinum building in southern China, and giving as well international recognition to Shenzhen and to the Stephen Hall Architects Company.